Hello friends, welcome back to our own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, I'm back with another interesting swing trading stock from pharma sector, Strides Pharma Science Limited. Strides Pharma is in the business of development and manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. The company's pharmaceutical products are sold in over 100 countries. It has followed an inorganic growth strategy over the years that resulted in foray into new markets, addition of new business segments, therapeutic segments, and manufacturing infrastructure. Guys, the stock has fallen by 51% in the last 1 year. It is a great opportunity for you guys, as stock is available at discounted price of 51% from its 52-week high of 1000 rupees. Guys, can it give bounce back? Can it give at least 50% returns in coming 1 to 6 months? Guys, let us find out in this video by seeing its financials and by analyzing the stock technically. In the end, I will also give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. So guys, please watch this video till the end without skipping. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications, and please hit the like button. Now firstly, let us see its financials. The stock's revenue has fallen from 3.53 in 2018 to 2.55 in 2019. But guys, from 2019, it has regained its revenue from 2.55 to 3.52 in 2021. Whereas its profits, guys, it has fallen from 0.66 in 2018 to 0.04 in 2020, and in 2021, it has regained its profit to 0.27. Guys, all the values are in 1000 crores. Guys, if you see the quarterly performance, the total revenue has decreased from 921 crores in March 2021 to 743 crores in September quarter. If you see its net income, it posted profit of 46 crores in March quarter, but company has turned into losses. In June quarter, it posted loss of 200 crores, and in September quarter, it posted a loss of 162 crores. Guys, if the Strides has to bounce back, it has to post good profit numbers in coming quarters, and it has to increase its revenue on quarter basis. And guys, if you see, in the last 1 month, the stock has fallen by 16%. Guys, if you see the maximum chart, the stock is volatile. It will rise for some time and it will fall again. Guys, the stock has risen from 2014 to 2017 and it has fallen back in 2018. The stock is showing same pattern again. It has risen in 2020 and it has fallen in 2021. Guys, whether the stock will go sideways like this or will it bounce back? Let us find out by analyzing the stock technically by using charts. Guys, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, I have opened 1-day technical chart of Strides Pharma. Here, each candle represents a single day. The stock is presently trading at the level of 438, and if you see its RSI, the relative strength index, it is presently at 39.75 and it is rising. And if you see its MACD indicator, it is about to give you bullish crossover signal. And guys, the stock is presently trading below all the moving average indicators, the 20-day, 50-day, 100-day and 200-day moving average. And guys, in the previous sessions, the stock has seen good volumes. Guys, I have drawn a channel like this. It ranges from 360 to 405. It is a demand zone, guys. Guys, if the stock price comes between these levels from 360 to 405, huge buying can take place. Guys, the stock can travel like this by taking the support at demand zone. It can travel sideways like this. If any positive trigger comes, it can bounce back. Or else, if the stock becomes bearish, it can fall to the levels of 360. It can travel sideways like this, and if any positive trigger comes, the stock can rally. Or else, the stock can be bullish from the next session. It can rally to the levels of 450, 500 and it can even go beyond 600 levels. So guys, let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 405, level 2 385 and level 3 360. And the targets are target 1 475, target 2 500 and target 3 600. Guys, keep the stop loss at 330 and the time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, please be patient and please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and also in the demand zone. Guys, the stock has huge potential to give you at least 40 to 50% returns in coming 6 months. Guys, Strides Pharma is a small cap stock with a market capitalization of 3,945 crores. As it is a small cap stock, it can be volatile. So guys, please do thorough research before investing in this stock. And guys, there is an important news about this stock guys. The Strides Pharma gains after biotech arm commissions vaccine manufacturing facility. Strides Pharma has recently commissioned the vaccine manufacturing facility which can boost its revenue in coming days. Guys, there is a negative point in this stock guys. Out of the promoter shares of 29%, 7.7% has been pledged. Guys, if the company has to perform better, the company's promoters has to revoke all the pledged shares. So guys, if the company has to bounce back, it has to revoke its pledged shares and it has to post good profit numbers in Q3 and Q4 and it has to increase its revenue consistently. And guys, technically the RSI looks strong and MACD indicator is about to give bullish crossover signal, so we can expect good rally in coming days, or else the stock can come to the demand zone, it can settle there for a while, and if any positive trigger comes, the stock can rally in coming days. The Strides Pharma has huge potential to give you at least 40 to 50% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. Guys, this is all about Strides Pharma guys. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. And please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Your every like gives me motivation to make more and more videos. Also, please follow my Telegram channel where I will post important updates on daily basis, and please like our pages on Instagram and Facebook. Small disclaimer friends, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Thank you friends.